Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner, go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Hey Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap finish and let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.